Morning, dear students. Now I want to discuss JEE Advanced Paper 1 2024 question. This is from organic chemistry. So list 1, list 2 given, list 1 some reaction sequences given, and list 2 final products provided. So then each one we have to solve. Now first one P. First one P. So first some cyclohexene given, and we have to do ozonolysis reaction. Now ozonolysis, zinc means reductive ozonolysis. Just break double bond, add two oxygen atoms. Very simple trick. Ozonolysis, break double bond, add two oxygen atoms. Here one hydrogen is there, here one hydrogen is there. Just break double bond, add two oxygen atoms. So which compound is formed? This one is formed. Now this compound is formed. Now what is its name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So name hexane 1, 6 diol. This is hexane 1,6 diol. This is the compound. Now second reagent aqueous NaOH means this is aldol condensation reaction, aqueous NaOH and followed by heating. Aldol condensation reaction. So now here this is functional group adjacent carbon alpha. So two hydrogens are there. You know, this is also functional group adjacent carbon. This is also called alpha hydrogen. It is symmetrical molecule. That's why you can remove alpha hydrogen with the base, then carboanion is formed, which is formed carboanion. So here you can write carboanion. So carboanion. So this base, okay, this base can terminate alpha hydrogen, then which is formed carboanion. Now this carboanion involved in nucleophilic addition mechanism. Okay, this carboanion involved in nucleophilic addition mechanism with other aldehyde group. Then which membered ring is formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 membered ring is formed. So now here we can write which membered ring is formed? 5 membered ring. So now this compound is formed. Okay, this compound is formed. Understood? This compound is formed. Now this compound is formed. Clear? So now followed by acidification, protonation. So this O minus will become OH. This O minus will become OH. Now followed by heating, then this internal beta hydrogen and this OH eliminated. Okay, this OH eliminated. Then alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde is formed. Then which compound is formed here? Yeah, alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde is formed. Now we should protect it with ethylene glycol in the presence of para-toluene sulfonic acid. What is this? Para-toluene sulfonic acid. Para-toluene sulfonic acid. This is a very strong acid. It can provide H plus ion. It can provide H plus ion. So presence of H plus, this ethylene glycol protect with aldehyde group. Aldehyde group. Now we can protect with aldehyde group like, yeah, aldehyde group. Then this compound is formed. Now when it undergoes hydroboration oxidation reaction, so this is anti-Markovnikov's rule. It follows which one? Anti-Markovnikov's rule. Hydroboration oxidation reaction, anti-Markovnikov's rule. Then OH minus, negative part of the reagent according to anti-Markovnikov's rule, negative part of the reagent added to less substituted carbon and positive part of the reagent added to more substituted carbon. That is anti-Markovnikov's rule. Now, which product is formed? So here OH, understood, and here ethylene glycol remains constant. Here hydrogen added. Clear, everyone? Now, followed by hydrolysis. Then again that protecting group breaking. Okay, that protecting group breaking. So we can break like OH, H. So now H, OH. Again ethylene glycol eliminated. Understood? Then so you are getting one gem diol. That gem diol unstable now, water eliminated. Then you are getting gem diol means this compound. This is the gem diol. OH and CH. After hydrolysis you are getting this group gem diol. Two hydroxyl groups present on same carbon, gem diol. Then it is unstable. Immediately water eliminated, and we will get again aldehyde group. C double bond O H. Again aldehyde group. Now sodium borohydride, that is reducing agent. Sodium borohydride is reducing agent. It can reduce aldehyde functional group. Then which one is formed? OH. Yes, CH2OH. Sodium borohydride is, that is reducing group. It can reduce aldehydes, ketones, alkyl halide, acid halide. It can reduce these four functional groups only. So now this is final product. Now once observe, it is matching with which one? Yes, third compound. It is matching with the third one. So P is matching with the third one. So everyone understood? P is matching with the third one. Understood? Now coming to Q. Now 1-methyl cyclohexene given, when it undergo reducto-ozonolysis, here hydrogen is there, just break bond, add 2 oxygen atoms. So now which compound is formed? This compound is formed. Understood? Now when it undergo aldol condensation, then which product is formed? First here alpha hydrogens are there now. From this you can remove alpha hydrogen, then carboanion is formed. Now this carboanion can attack here, and here these bonded electrons migrating like. Then again here 5-membered ring is formed. Here acetone. Methyl ketone. Now here O minus. Then we can do protective with H plus OH. Then here internal hydrogen you can remove. Presence of heating, water molecule eliminated like. Then which product is formed? This is aldol condensation reaction. Here double bond. So C double bond O, CH3. This one is formed. Now again ethylene glycol, paratoluene sulfonic acid. Already I told you it can provide H plus ion. Presence of H plus, ethylene glycol protected with either aldehyde or ketone. Here ketone is there. Yes, that is protected with ketone. Now it is protected with ketone like ethylene glycol. Now next one, hydroborase and oxidation reaction, anti-Markovnikov's rule. Then negative part of the reagent added to less substituted carbon, positive part of the reagent added to more substituted carbon. This is anti-Markovnikov's rule. Then which one is formed? So here OH, this is remains constant. Here hydrogen added like. Terminal alcohols, less substituted alcohols are formed. Now followed by hydrolysis. Again, this protective group breaking like. This protective group breaking like. Then ethylene glycol eliminated. Now already I told you gem diol is formed, unstable, water eliminated easily. At room temperature only water eliminated. So now which product is formed? This one. Again ketone. Again ketone we are getting. So now OH, C double bond O, CH3. Now sodium borohydride, it can reduce ketone into secondary alcohol. Ketone into secondary alcohol. Okay, ketone into secondary alcohol. This is the final product. This is final product. So we can check here Q is matching with which compound? Q is matching with which compound? Okay, Q is matching with which compound? Yes, 5. Q is matching with which compound? 5. Understood? Yeah, this one. Q is matching with the 5th compound. Now coming to R. Now coming to R. Now this is one compound provided. This is one compound provided, and ethylene glycol, paratoluene sulfonic acid provided. Presence of H plus. It can provide H plus. So presence of H plus. This group undergo protected with ketone. Then protected with ketone. Then here methyl. Here double bond is there. Okay, CH3 methyl. Now oxymercuration demercuration reaction given. Oxymercuration demercuration reaction it is. So it follows Markovnikov's rule without rearrangement. Markovnikov's rule without rearrangement. So that here negative part of the reagent, Markovnikov's rule now, negative part of the reagent is added to more substituted carbon, and positive part of the reagent is added to less substituted carbon. Then which product is formed? 5-membered ring. This group remains constant. Now here methyl, negative part of the reagent more substituted carbon, positive part of the reagent here. Understood? Positive part of the reagent here. Understood? This product is formed. Now followed by hydrolysis. Followed by hydrolysis. Again this protective group eliminated. This protective group eliminated, like ethylene glycol eliminated, like, and gem diol is formed on heating, water eliminated, then we are getting ketone. So again we are getting ketone. So now double bond O, here methyl, here OH. So these hydrogens no need to show. Now this is the compound. Now when it undergo reduction with sodium borohydride, that ketone reduced to secondary alcohol. Ketone reduced to secondary alcohol. So here CH3, OH remains constant. Ketone reduced to secondary alcohol. So this is the final product. So we can verify once. This is match. Here R is matched with which compound? Yes. Once observe which compound here. It is matched with 4. It is matched with 4. R is matched with 4. So I hope everyone understood this one. Now coming to last one. Yes. Last one. Yes. This is R. Now coming to S. Now, so again we have to protect with ethylene glycol in the presence of acid. That ketone protected. Now hydroboration oxidation reaction, anti-Markovnikov's rule. without rearrangement. Anti-Markovnikov's rule. So negative part of the reagent added here and positive part of the reagent added here. Negative part of the reagent added here, positive part of the reagent added here. Then this one is formed CH3. Negative part of the reagent added here, positive part of the reagent added here. Understood? Anti-Markovnikov's rule. So terminal alcohol means less substituted alcohol form. Clear? Anti-Markovnikov rule. Hydroboration oxidation always follows. Now followed by hydrolysis. Followed by hydrolysis again. Ethylene glycol eliminated. Ethylene glycol eliminated. Now gem diol heating. So gem diol no need to heat, room temperature. That gem diol loses water molecule and getting ketone. Getting ketone. So now double bond O. Here methyl OH. Sorry. Here terminal alcohol na OH here present. Is it right? Now followed by reduction with sodium borohydride. That ketone reduced to secondary alcohol. Ketone reduced to secondary alcohol. So methyl OH secondary alcohol. This compound is formed. Now it is matching with which one? It is matching with which one? Once we can check like. So the last compound it is matching with 1. Which option? 1. So compound S is matching with 1. This compound. Okay, is it right? That compound is matching with 1. Clear everyone? So I hope everyone understood this mechanism, means a reaction synthesis. So finally, which option is right? Finally, which option is right? So now we can check once. Finally, which option is right? Which option is right? So P is matching with 3 and Q is matching with 5 and R is matching with 4, S is matching with 1. So then finally which is right answer? Option 1 is right answer. Which is right answer? Option 1 is right answer. Means option A is right answer. Clear? Yeah, option A is right answer. So I hope everyone understood this solution. This is reaction sequence for P. This is reaction sequence for Q and R. And this is reaction sequence for S. So I hope everyone understood this one. Yes. Here, what is the use of ethylene glycol? So any group you want to do an effect, then that group you should connect with that ethylene glycol. Clear everyone? Yes. So thank you so much.